Hi Super JVs, it's John Newman here, and on behalf of my business partner Cynthia Benitez and myself, I want to invite you to our next launch on June the 4th at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, YT Velocity. So firstly, a massive thank you for everyone that's helped out on our previous launches, anyone that's jumped on and promoted for us. We really do appreciate it. We know how packed the schedule is, and we do appreciate anyone that's come on and helped support our launches, so thank you very much. So what is YT Velocity? Well, in a nutshell, YT Velocity is how you can build out an authority YouTube channel and rank at the top of the YouTube and first page on YouTube, and how you can do that fast, and then how you can monetize those videos. So there's no point just ranking up there, you've got to be able to make money from it as well, and it's going to show you how to do that. And this is from real life examples that it's worked for me, that I've been using over the last 12 or 18 months to get my videos, the ranking generally in the top 3 spots, and if not, definitely more often than not on the first page of the YouTube ranking. So it is a quality course that I've put together, and real life case studies and results from that, how you can get your customers to build out that authority YouTube channel fast. So why support? Well, as I said before, firstly, I do believe it's a good product. Once again, I put everything I can into this, probably too much, but it is a good product. There's a very juicy funnel we've got on this one. You can earn over $600 per sale. We've got professional design and copy as always, and our last launch, which was affiliate takeoff, converted at over 21%. So if the people that are jumping on are starting to see some really good results from our launches, and we think this one's going to convert very well as well. We've also got $1,000 in cash prizes with the $700 top prize. So you've got with the juicy funnel, and it's going to convert, and also the prize money, you've got an opportunity here if you jump on to actually make some really good money with this. And also finally, you're going to get guaranteed reciprocation from both myself and Cynthia. We always, anyone that's jumped on and promoted our launches, we do our best to jump on and receive back as hard as we can, and we're starting to move up. We're starting to get noticed on some leaderboards, and it's only going to go up from here. So if you want to jump on and support our launches, we'll do everything we can to support your launches back and get a lot of sales for you in the future. And even some of the people that have launched promoted for us last year, a while ago, haven't always jumped on. We always try and do our best to help out anyone that has promoted for us in the past. And as I said before, if you jump on and support, we're guaranteed to hit you back as hard as we can. So that's basically it. Once again, I want to invite you to join us on June the 4th at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time for YT Velocity. All the details are below. You can hit either myself or Cynthia up for anything you need for this launch. So I'll see you guys on June the 4th. Cheers.